Hello! Oh man, I am freaking out here. Just got the box from FedEx. It's from BHB Reptiles. Whew, man, I've been waiting for this all morning. Could not sleep at all last night. So, let's get started. Snip your little... Ah, man, I'm freaking out so bad. Ooh, heat thing? Ooh, still hot. Oh, hello! Oh my goodness! Let's do this one first. This is a male Honduran milkshake that is het albino. He is a gift actually for my friend. Hello. Ooh, you're bigger than I thought. Hello. You are beautiful. Ah! You pissed all over me. Stinky. Ew. Well, I'm kind of glad you're going to my friend and not staying here with me. Ah. The question is getting you back in the deli cup. Because you are a crazy little guy. Whew. I want to make sure I don't get the head or the tail. Yes, I know. You just had some freedom. Gross. Swipe that off. Stinky. And then, what I've been waiting for, a female scaleless Texas Ratsnake. This one was born in 2000 and... looks so cranky. This one was born in 2015. Oh, hi. Hey, you gonna be nice or are you gonna be a little mean? She looks a little cranky. Hi. Can I pick you up? Ooh, she feels weird. I've never actually handled a scaleless snake before. Oh, you can just let me pick you up. Whoa. That is weird. That feels so weird. Oh, man, that feels weird. I chose this animal in particular because I wanted a female, and because it actually gets darker as it goes down to where it gets actually practically black. Wow. Aren't you beautiful? And you're pretty well behaved. A little cold from shipping. Wow. I am blown away right now. It's crazy. Ah, well, there you have it. She's beautiful. Kind of goofy looking, beautiful.